This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. You will love this charming 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the prestigious gated community of Stoneledge. This Craftsman-style home has an open floor plan with living room, fireplace, unvented, breakfast room, and a bright and spacious kitchen with granite island and seating, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, as well as the washer and dryer. A separate formal dining room, bedroom, currently being used as an office, and bath complete the main level. Upstairs you will find the primary bedroom and ensuite, garden tub and separate large shower, as well as 2 additional bedrooms, and laundry room. The terrace level is unfinished but stubbed for a 4th bath and ready for future expansion of 3 huge rooms. This house also has a fenced yard, lots of storage, 2-car garage, a seasonal mountain view that could be opened up even more, and privacy for grilling out with family and friends on your deck as you watch the sunset. A must-see. For more information,